What is a linear module? A linear module is a general term that can refer to different components across various fields. Here are explanations, based on common context. 1. Linear module in engineering mechanical systems. A mechanical component used for linear motion, straight line movement. Typically consists of a rail, guide system, for example, ball screws, belts, and a moving carriage. Examples: actuators, slides, or positioning systems in automation, robotics, CNC machines, 3D printers. Purpose: precise movement control in industrial or technical applications. To dot linear module in electronics power systems. A power module designed for linear control or regulation versus switching mode. Examples: linear power supplies or voltage stabilizers using components like MOS. Function: converts input power to regulated output, often with lower efficiency but simpler design. Applications: audio amplifiers, laboratory equipment, or systems requiring stable analog signals. What is a linear power module? A linear power module is a specialized electronic component used for power conversion and control. Key features include structure, integrates power, semiconductor devices, for example, IGBTs, MOSFETs, control circuits, protection systems, overvoltage, overcurrent. Function: converts a CDC inputs to stable outputs, often with linear regulation, for example, voltage or current adjustment. Advantages: simple design, high reliability, protection against faults, for example, thermal shutdown. Applications: HVAC systems, for example, AC inverters in air conditioners, audio equipment, industrial power supplies. Example: smart power module IPM, combining drivers and protection, used in variable frequency drives for energy efficiency. What is a module in linear algebra? In linear algebra, a module is an abstract algebraic structure that generalizes vector spaces. Key points. Definition: a module is a set with operations addition, scalar multiplication over a ring instead of a field for vector spaces. Properties: satisfies linear axioms, for example, distributivity. Associativity. Example: vector spaces are modules over fields. However, modules can involve more complex structures, like modules over polynomial rings. Uses fundamental in algebraic geometry, representation theory, and abstract math analysis. What is an example of linear motion? An example of linear motion is the motion of a piston in a cylinder. Here's the description. The piston moves along a straight path within the cylindrical chamber. Its trajectory remains strictly linear, regardless of speed variations, acceleration, or constant velocity. Application: internal combustion engine siege cycle involves linear motion of pistons, up-down driving mechanical energy. Key feature: path constrained to a single axis, distinguishing it from rotary or non-linear motions. Clarification across domains: engineering, physical devices for straight movement, electronics, power units for linear control, math, algebraic structures for linear relationships, physics, motion along a line. This differentiation ensures clarity across disciplines. Toco Motion, a professional manufacturer in linear motion components in China.